Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn how to use the Freeze Panes feature in Excel. This tool is perfect for keeping specific rows and columns visible while you scroll through your worksheet. Freeze Panes helps you navigate large datasets by keeping your headers in view. Let's see how it works. First, let's freeze the top row. This keeps your header row visible as you scroll down. Follow these steps. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click on Freeze Panes in the Window group. Select Freeze Top Row from the drop-down menu. Now, when you scroll down, the top row remains visible. Next, let's freeze the first column. This keeps your first column visible as you scroll horizontally. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click on Freeze Panes. Select Freeze First Column. Now, when you scroll to the right, the first column stays visible. To freeze both rows and columns, select the cell just below and to the right of the rows and columns you want to keep visible. Select First Cell after the rows and column to fix. Here cell B2 for freeze row 1 and column A. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click on Freeze Panes. Select Freeze Panes. Now, both the top row and the first column will remain visible as you scroll. And that's how you use the Freeze Panes feature in Excel to keep your data headers in view while navigating large datasets. But what if you want to unfreeze the panes? Let's see how. To unfreeze panes, follow these steps. Go to the View tab. Click on Freeze Panes. Select Unfreeze Panes. And just like that, your panes are unfrozen, allowing you to scroll through your worksheet freely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Digital Toolbox, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.